All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2018 Ford Transit. It is the T-150 mid-roof, long wheelbase, beautiful white with gray vinyl interior, AM/FM stereo system. You got backup camera, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Super nice, and best of all, minimum damage, only 31,000 miles on this vehicle. Front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing to this. Curbing. The front driver's steel wheel. Tire tread looks beefy at 9/32. Door looks good. Quarter looks good in its entirety, it looks like. I don't got a dent here. Another one here. That's about it. I see two dents that I can see. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Rear driver steel wheel, sorry. Tire tread is over 8/32 there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. It does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. So it has the original window sticker on it as well. Here's your AM/FM stereo system. You get your AC controls right down below. Got your backup camera. Boom. Got your instrument cluster here. As you can see, it does have a tire light on, but that's about it. 31,589 is the mileage. Keeping it moving. Coming around, rear bumper. Looks good. Doors look good. This has a little ding here and another little dent there. Other than that, we look good. Alright, this is what your rear cargo area looks like. Very nice. Got a dent here. Alright. Got your wheel well moldings. Or wheel well. There you go. And there, here we have a dent there. This one looks good. And then here it does have a dent. Maybe they'll call that frame this dent. I'm not sure, but if they do, you'll know that that's the reason why. It's not that big a deal for us, but you know, the auction. And this door looks good. Panelings look good. From the other door, looks good. I'm gonna get a ladder to go up there on the roof and check that out. Alright, climbing up this ladder. And your roof looks fantastic. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up here. It looks good. Nice. Nice. Pull this back. Keeping it moving. This quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Your tire tread is so it's under 7/32. Let's double check. Actually, no, run 8/32. The sliding door looks good. This is what your side cargo area looks like. Very nice. Looks good. The front door here does have a hole. About less than an inch the hole is, but it's a dent and paint off. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Your front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's steel wheel. Front passenger steel wheel. And tire tread is at 8/32. Let's give another quick look at that. Alright, that's what it looks like, guys. Alright. Lights are working, cars on. Folks, once again, this is a 2018 Ford Transit T-150 mid-roof long wheelbase with 31,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.